welcome back once again, guys, to my channel. I hope you all are well. Trendy jumpsuit catsuits are the latest fashion craze that is taking the world by storm. These stylish and versatile garments have become a must-have item in every fashion-forward individual's wardrobe. Jumpsuit catsuits offer a unique and bold fashion statement that allows individuals to express their personal style in a fun and trendy way. Whether you're headed to a party, a night out with friends, or simply want to make a fashion statement, jumpsuit catsuits are the perfect choice to elevate your style game. So, my dear friends, I hope you really like this video. I must suggest you to watch this video till end, guys. Jumpsuit catsuits have become incredibly trendy for several reasons. Firstly, they offer a bold and fashionable look that instantly grabs attention. Their sleek and form-fitting design flatters the body and accentuates curves, making anyone who wears them feel confident and empowered. Additionally, jumpsuit catsuits are incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down to suit any occasion. Whether you pair them with heels and statement jewelry for a night out, or style them with sneakers and a denim jacket for a casual day-look jumpsuit, catsuits are effortlessly chic and always on trend. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Satra Products yet, then do it quickly and press the bell icon to get notifications of all my videos. Reach on time to time. If you really enjoyed this amazing video, guys, hit the like button and leave a beautiful comment in comments section. I am waiting for your feedback. Every type of dresses and outfits collection you can watch at my YouTube channel in my videos. So guys must visit my channel. Glossy and shiny, fox leather and latex, multiple colors and design, jumpsuit and catsuits, outfit ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon in another video. Till then, bye, take care. Keep supporting my channel. Keep watching and sharing my videos.